For joining us on yet another edition of GlobalNet Television, a platform where we discuss ICT telecoms, where we unveil the personalities behind this very, very vibrant industry. I am Kunle Aborishade, and he is here this wet, cold morning. Fidel Otria, the encyclopedia of telecoms in Nigeria. Fidel, good morning.
Hello, good morning. How is the weather?
Fantastic and cool after a very, very, very hot climatic condition.
I'm telling you.
And to wake up today and see everywhere so cool is refreshing. And that is our weather for you. But let's go straight to what we know how to do best. If you are watching us, take a seat, relax. In the next 25 minutes, we take you into a world of telecommunications and tell you what is happening, ICT, telecoms, everything nationally and globally. And once you see Fidel, you know that we will break everything down. Today we're talking about the NCC's portability.
That it is on course.
It is on course.
And every minute now, you will be asked to go to the next network to change your line, you know, if you want improved service. I'm talking about services. The new assessment shows that the networks are complying.
Okay, we are going to get to all of that. We'll take a look at the figures. We'll break it down, see whether they are improving, whether they are complying. What is the situational report? We're going to bring all of that to you. Also, we break down the portability issue. Still, for so many of you who don't understand what is this portability thing, we'll also break it down today and find out whether it's worth all of the resources that has been put on it. What are the qualities? All of that today. On GlobalNet TV, we take a break if my director is ready, and then we come back and start the busy day. Welcome back at GlobalNet TV for you this morning, and like we always say, it's interactive. It's throughout the way because you can have dialogue with us on our website www.globalnettv.net.ng. We can discuss what's happening in the world of telecoms. All right, Fidel.
Yes.
Portability. We will get that. We'll get back to that because we've brought for you what last November.
Yes.
We were with the director of public affairs of NCC, and he kind of gave us a timeline.
Yes.
For the portability issue, and then later on we played that a clip of what he said and see whether NCC has met that timeline. What is the situation right now?
I think what is happening now is that program is very, very much on course.
Okay, fantastic.
What they have done, all the tests, but they said the operators asked them to give them about 3 weeks.
Okay.
To tidy up their ends.
Their own end, okay.
Which means from the NCC angle, they are ready. So, giving the operators the benefit of the doubt, okay, we give you a few more weeks so that you'll be able to put your house in order.
Okay.
So that is very much on course, and I'm sure by the new month of April, this program is going to take off.
All right. Okay, we are also going to look at whether the awareness is there, who is responsible for letting how many millions of Nigerians now subscribers know that you can port
90-something, 100 million,
100 million.
Thereabout.
It's massive.
Yes.
And there must be some education, there must be some promos, there must be things directing them.
Yes. What you must do.
What you must do.
How do you, set out from your, current network to the other one.
Okay.
All these, will form part of the education that will take
place.
Well,
we are thinking that should have started. Whose responsibility is that? Is it that of the regulator or that of the operators?
The regulator will give a guideline.
Okay.
And that presupposes that the networks themselves will be accessible because you have to go to the customer care centers.
Yes.
We hear people, we see people saying, I don't know where to go if I'm unable to recharge my card or if there are issues. So the operators themselves must have multiple customer care centers where people can can go, because I can assure you it's going to be massive.
It will be.
It's going to
It
be
will
massive.
be, even for the fact that it's a brand new thing. People
Yes.
want to check it out.
Yes.
And some subscribers have just come to the conclusion that a present network they are using just is not it for them. And for what is what, they want to see. Some want to see, will it really work? Can I use the same number with Glo, with MTN?
Yes.
Can I port and move on like that to a Etisalat and all that? Will this thing really work?
Yeah.
And so we are bound to see a lot of movement.
What is important is that you cannot use that number simultaneously on MTN, for instance, and Glo. You must forgo one network for you to use
you will
the
come
other
back
one.
and clarify that for us. But that's if you're ready, let's take our first break and then come back. It's GlobalNet TV. Welcome back. And if you are just joining us, we are talking of portability. And my director, can we have the insert from the Director of Public Affairs of NCC, Mr. Tony Ojobo? Let us look at what he told us in November. Let us look at where we are now.
Okay.